Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Solange and I'm an interior decorator. I used to live in Miami and we just moved to Naples, Florida. So I have a brand new apartment to decorate and to get furniture for because we sold most of our furniture. So this is gonna be kind of a moving vlog and furnishing our apartment and how to organize everything. So without further ado, let's get right in. Okay guys, we started by obviously going to some stores like Home Goods. We were looking around for essentials and obviously I had to look into like all the fall decor and Halloween. And they have so many options. I wanted to take it all with me, but I only took some of the essentials I needed, some organizers, kitchen stuff, a fresh set of white towels and white sheets. And I'm showing you also how I organize all my skincare for the bathroom. Then we got our first piece of furniture, which is my dream bed. I always wanted like a linen bed, so we put it together and we put our new sheets on it. And then I started putting together the kitchen. Mind you, this is going to be a very chaotic vlog because I've been all over the place and I went to Goodwill that is 1 block away from me, which I'm so excited about. And I bought also a couple things like these plates. They were so beautiful. I could not leave them behind. Also this little organizers for the pantry and this cute little pot. I want to put basil in it and this beautiful rustic vase. Then I also started getting some of the things I bought online, like these organizers, these beautiful jars for the pantry for organizing all the like the sugar, the flour, rice, pasta, all those things. And it came with stickers, but I actually ended up buying other stickers at Walmart that were like very vintage looking. I still didn't get to label them. Then I also bought a shoe organizer from my closet. I'll be showing you how I organized. And we also got our new beautiful white couch, and I'll be selling it later for fall on my next video. Then we also had to go visit the Serena Lily store in Naples, and it was a dream. Honestly, all the decor is 100% my style. It was beautifully decorated, so if you're around the area, you should definitely go see it. Then we did a little run to Trader Joe's to get some food, and I had to check out all the pumpkins and fall goodies. I got some basil and some rosemary from my kitchen. And we finally got our last piece of furniture. That is this beautiful TV stand slash fireplace. And I love the color of the wood. So this is how it ended up looking. And to add to the cozy vibes, we bought a projector. We still need to get a projector screen to go with it. So for now, I'm not decorating the wall above the fireplace because I'm going to use it as my projector. And of course, I had to finish the night watching Gilmore Girls with my fireplace on. Okay guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video with a lot more decor updates in this new apartment. Bye.